here at Jesuit High School, class of 2008. I'm with the young fellas, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors. Surreal. I'm excited. I'm excited to inform the mind, inspire the heart, and hopefully ignite something in them, man. If they could see a little bit of me in their journey, that's the cool part, right? Kind of see forward and say, man, like, got it, I'm doing all right. So, really excited to be here.
How many of you know you have a gift? Raise your hand. How many of you aren't using your gift but know you should? Raise your hand. I like the honesty. Repeat after me. One heart, one mind, one spirit, two claps.